Okay, another video, another episode. I'm back again on my channel. I'm back again on my podcast. I'm back again on my page, YouTube channel, YouTube page, YouTube podcast. Right. You saw the video topic, you saw the video title that goes by the statement, or rather by the phrase, South Africa or Nigeria. Which one do you choose? Which one do you pick? Which one do you go for? I choose South Africa because of what I'm going to say right now in this video. I was in South Africa for 15 years. I went to this country from my country, Zimbabwe, and I went to South Africa. Remember, they are neighbors, Zimbabwe and South Africa. They are neighbors, they are brothers. I went to this country under a government scholarship program. I was there like half of my life, almost 50% of my life, half of my life. I was there in South Africa. I saw a lot of things. I was seeing, I was experiencing a lot of things, first-hand knowledge, first-hand experiences in this country, South Africa. Right. So South Africa over Nigeria, I go with South Africa because of their stable democracy. Point number one, their stable democracy every year for a long time, since when democracy was introduced in 1994 by this global icon, Mr. Nelson Mandela. Since that day, or since that time, South Africa has been very good. So because of their stable democracy, I'll say South Africa. Number two, because of the general state of their politics, general standing, general state, or general position of their politics, South African politics, the South African political climate, South African political, yes, political climate, I would say South Africa over Nigeria. Number three, I would speak about the geographic location or geographic position of South Africa when you compare with Nigeria or Nigeria. South Africa has got a better geographic location, better geographic position over Nigeria. Yes, it's located right on the coastline, on the coast, Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. These two oceans, these two big oceans, massive oceans, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. So this gives South Africa a lot of advantages when it comes to trade, when it comes to investment, when it comes to business, when it comes to entrepreneurship, especially right now in this modern world, in this 21st century, when you are located, physically located or geographically domiciled right on the water bodies, these ocean bodies, Atlantic Ocean, number two, Indian Ocean. It gives a country a lot of advantages, competitive advantages over other nations who don't enjoy having that position, who are not located on the water bodies. So South Africa will beat Nigeria in that respect or in that regard. Located or domiciled naturally or physically, geographically, right on the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, right on the shores of the Indian Ocean. And for a long time, all these years, South Africa is enjoying a lot of benefits, is enjoying a lot of advantages, beating other countries when it comes to that regard, on trade, on investment, on business, on entrepreneurship, and other logistics and other issues that are linked in that direction. So I would choose South Africa. Point number four, because of the economy. Point number four, because of their economy. The economy is always good. The economy is always okay. Their economy, South African economy, is always fine every time. Point number five. Point number five, I'll choose South Africa because of their currency. South African rand, because of their currency. South African rand. You cannot compare the rand and the naira. You cannot. So because of the currency, because of the economy, I would choose South Africa. Yes. What are comments on what I just said? What are comments or your views or your opinions? Drop or type in the comment section. Drop or type in the comment section when it comes to South Africa or Nigeria. So just to give it an executive summary, a short summary, I spoke about the currency, I spoke about the economy. I spoke about the economy, I spoke about the currency, I spoke about the politics, I spoke about the stable democracy. I spoke. Yes, so drop your comments in the comment section. Otherwise, I'm done talking. Peace out. Sharp.